Inflation has been eating away at savings accounts for years, but there's a government-backed investment specifically designed to fight back. I-bonds, issued by the U.S. Treasury, automatically adjust their interest rate with inflation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy one in 2026. An I-bond's interest rate has two parts, a fixed rate set when you buy, and a variable rate that adjusts every 6 months based on the Consumer Price Index. The composite rate for I-bonds issued in early 2026 is around 3.11%. That's not always the highest rate out there, but it's guaranteed by the U.S. government. No bank, no brokerage can match that level of safety. You can only buy I-bonds directly from the government at TreasuryDirect.gov, not through Fidelity, Vanguard, or any brokerage. You're limited to $10,000 per person per year in electronic bonds. But there's a bonus: if you overpay your federal taxes and get a refund, you can use up to $5,000 of that refund to buy paper I-bonds, giving a household of 2 up to $25,000 per year. Here's how to open your Treasury Direct account. Go to TreasuryDirect.gov and click Open an account. You'll need your Social Security number, a U.S. bank account, and your email address. Fill out the form, create a password, and you'll receive an account number by email. Log in using that account number, not your email, and navigate to Buy Direct, choose Series I, enter your purchase amount, and link your bank. The whole process takes about 15 minutes. There are a few important rules you need to know before buying. You must hold an I-bond for at least 12 months, you cannot redeem it before that. If you redeem within the first 5 years, you lose the last 3 months of interest. After 5 years, you can cash out anytime with no penalty. I-bonds mature after 30 years and stop earning interest at that point. Who should buy I-bonds? They're ideal for your emergency fund or money you won't need for at least a year. They're also great for conservative savers who want better returns than a savings account without stock market risk. Who shouldn't buy? If you might need the money within 12 months, or if you're chasing the highest possible returns, a high-yield savings account or short-term CD might serve you better right now. One pro tip: you can gift I-bonds to a spouse or family member and they count toward the recipient's $10,000 limit, not yours. This is a legal way for a couple to effectively double their annual purchase. Also, interest on I-bonds is exempt from state and local taxes, and if used for qualified education expenses, it may be fully federal tax exempt too. Your action step today: go to TreasuryDirect.gov, open your account, and buy your first I-bond. Even $500 is a solid start. Subscribe to Everyday Wealth Guide for more practical money moves every week.